Hello, 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 and thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Soraya Marshall Wright. Welcome to The World According to Soraya. For those of you who do not know, I'm an estate planning attorney in South Carolina, and I help seniors and families with special needs plan for the unexpected and protect their valuables. All right, so the month of August is What Will Your Legacy Be month, so we are continuing with our legacy series. Last week, I told you that you should consider establishing a trust. Why? Because it gives you greater flexibility in preserving your legacy, and you not only get to determine who your assets will go to, but under what circumstances and when. You set the rules. This week, because your legacy is so much more than estate planning documents, I want to talk about some ways that you could preserve your legacy that do not necessarily include estate planning. Tip number 1. Make sure you have story time with your children and grandchildren. By story time, I'm not just talking about reading random books that are out there, but sharing your own family story, talking about your legacy and where your family comes from and why your legacy is important. Share that. Tip number 2, share those recipes. Too often, I hear people talk about, oh, so-and-so used to make the best biscuits, but now no one knows how to make it. Personally, I know I need to learn how to make my grandmother's red snapper. But those recipes sometimes are items that everyone enjoy around the holidays, and sharing those recipes right now may be a great way to keep your memory alive. Tip number 3. Take vacations together. A lot of times we think about money, life insurance, or land that we could leave for someone, but the memories that we make with our loved ones are really more important than any of that. So take vacations together and build lasting memories. Tip number 4, attend family reunions. You never know, there are lots of people who are not in your immediate family who are related to you and could add so much value to your life. So get to know your extended family. Last but certainly not least, consider writing a journal or recording a message for your loved ones. You never know. Reading your words, seeing your face, hearing your voice years from now may be the very thing that your loved one needs to get through a tough time. And it also will help keep your memory alive and help future generations get to know you even if they didn't get to meet you. All right? So, if you didn't know that there are ways that do not necessarily involve estate planning that you could utilize to preserve your legacy, now you know, and I'll see you next time.